Olympics. Take a look at this story and listen to what he has been doing for the last nearly 1 year as he prepares for the next Olympics supposed to be happening in the USA, Los Angeles.
SportPesa tujiamini ilianza last year. Nili apply, then nika win 500k. That was the gold winner from last year, Central Region. For my 500k, nili buy gym equipment and some training equipment. Imenisaidia sana na my colleagues. We have been able to train on gym and kwa maji pia. Equipment zenye nilikuwa natumia before hazikuwa perfect kwa maji, though nilikuwa tunajaribu nazo. But now it's better, like the skirt I have today haingizi maji, vitu kama hizo. Helmet iko sawa. And yeah, I can train kwa gym na kwa maji pia. Coming October, we have a competition which is like World Championship. That's what I'm expecting to, that's my bigger picture this year. I'm looking forward for that. So I must train hard. Naeza uliza watu wengine hapo nje wenye wanataka ku apply for tujiamini. We have this Gold Community Award yenye ni up to 1 million Kenya shillings. Kama uko na mradi inaweza saidia kwa community, kama ni sports ama kama ni any mradi uko nayo, it will really boost, and yeah, it's going to help a lot. The word to tujiamini na SportPesa ni, guys, we really appreciate, and we are so glad having you guys. So I'm able to train just because of you, and I can see in almost every sport you guys, you have been picking people from the ground, and we can see them going up higher. And thank you so much, and keep going. We really thank you.
We wish him all the best as he prepares for the Olympics 2028 set for LA in the USA. Hopefully he makes it there. Anyway, back home, the Dudborough